strange. You know it can do so much, but what does it do? Where would you even start? Just say, "Alexa, what can you do?" Get help with morning activities, relaxation, education, entertainment, and more. Lacking in imagination? Here's some inspiration. Schedule meetings, set routines, lower the shades, dim the lights, check cameras, call friends, order flowers, even ask what rice would go nice with a rotisserie chicken. View calories, photo galleries, TV shows galore, play music and audiobooks, and games too. Just say, "Alexa, what can you do?"